Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a pumpkin, fall, autumnal, berries, bit of whatever on a nail. Enjoy! Right, so I've already kind of prepped these nails. I'm just going to dehydrate them now with the nail prep solution. And once they mat up, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti base coat. And it's the same as always, pushing up towards the cuticle, down the free edge, capping it. Don't get it on the skin. I'm going to do this for every single nail. And then you're going to pop it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Pop them under, please. So I'm going to use Butterscotch as my base colour. I'm going to do 2 really thin layers of this. Get a bit closer to that cuticle on some of these. And the brush I'm using is the Nail 01 brush. If you can pop that under for 30 seconds, please. I'm going to do my second coat. Again, it only has to be thin because it's a really pigmented colour, so. Right, pop that in, 30 seconds please. And now I'm going to put some colours on my palette. So I've got Warm Fire, Cyanide, Jaffa Cake, Pillar Box, and Serious Black. I'm going to wipe over with the gel residue wipe off solution. Gives me a nice clean base to work on. So on this one, I'm going to use Jaffa Cake, little pumpkin. Clean my brush off, do another little pumpkin. So these are just going to be like pumpkin, Thanksgiving, autumn or fall, like inspired nails. Just a bit of like dark winter, but still kind of cute. I don't want to go full on black. Dark, not just yet. A little bit of a pumpkin on this one, and I'm just going to flash cure these because they're going to go in and out loads. If you can pop that under for 10 seconds please. The cyanide, using the edge of the brush just to make some like leaves. These are just going to be dead random. I don't know what flowers they are. I'm making them up just to like fill the space. Clean my brush off. Warm Fire. Going in with the Pillar Box. Just going to drag it through. Do some like berries, I think, and yeah, just berries. Berries, acorns. That kind of reminds me of a sunflower, but I don't think that's very autumny. Right, pop that under for 10 seconds, please. Go in with a little bit more detail on Serious Black. So just around the pumpkin. Same on this one. I'm just going from top to bottom, whatever way. Bit of shading. And with the ball, with cyanide, so they have the little like twirly things coming off them. Literally making it up as I go along. But I did a set like this in spring with like wildflowers. So I thought I could do a similar set with like pumpkins and autumny stuff, autumnals. Again, just adding random specks of colour. Yeah, pop them in for 30 seconds then. I know they're completely cured. With the top coat, I'm just going to seal these in. Just makes the colour pop so much more. Right, pop them in for a minute please, and then I'll do the thumb last so I can do a little bit more detail on that. Right, so on this one, do a little bit more detail because it's a bigger nail. So here's my little pumpkin, my little made up flower, don't know what that is. And berries, Do some like a little yellow flower over here. Again, going back in with the red and just like mixing it in. A little twirl. Right, can pop that in for 30 for me. So now going in with Serious Black. Again, just dragging through the paint so that I can get a nice sharp edge. I feel like there's something missing here, so I'm gonna pop some yellow and do like another little made up flower. Gonna pop that back in. 30 seconds, please. I'm going to seal the thumb in with the top coat. Alright, and pop that in for 60 seconds. So rehydrate with. I'm going to rehydrate with peach cuticle oil. Good rubbing. And there we have a really cute, quite simple. I think it's quite effective though. Like autumnal pumpkin Thanksgiving type of nail. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.